How to add a profile photo on Upwork. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're setting up your Upwork profile and want to add a profile photo, firstly open up the Upwork application on your device and sign in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile photo at the top left corner. Now click on Profile. Click on the pencil button right underneath your profile avatar or the current photo, and then click on Change Image. And then click on Upload button. Select a photo you'd like to use as your profile picture and then click Done. Now you can zoom in or zoom out on the profile photo, adjust it according to your preference and click on Save Photo. Right after you do that, your profile picture will be added or updated. That's how you add a profile photo to your Upwork account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.